am going to sub tomorrow, and I thought I'd put together a little binder just to have some resources and stuff available to me, and I thought I would share with you what I put together. So let's get started. I am going to begin by using this scrapbook paper, and I'm going to make myself some dividers. This is just paper I had on hand, and then I bought these tabs that I could write on. I'll probably use the light blue ones. So I'm going to take these, I'm going to cut the brick one kind of in half so my divider can be a bit of a pocket. I think that's what I want to do. And then I will tape it on, hole punch it, and we'll go from there. So I finished making the dividers, and now I'm just going to do like a real quick flip through of the binder. So I am going to have these printables available to you in the description below. There'll be a link to purchase these downloads if you're interested. I'm going to list them for $1.50, but you can pick them up off of Etsy. And so this cover is part of the printables. Inside I also got like a little pencil pouch. I just threw my dividers, or not my dividers, my tabs and a pen in here. I'm also going to throw in like a highlighter and then a grading pen because our district has asked us to grade for teachers if we are able to. And I used to teach. I taught for 8 years, and now I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I just sub every now and then. And so I'm excited to get back into a classroom subbing this year. And so my first section I have is my log section. And this is another part of the printable that you can get. And it's just a way to keep track. I also printed out my district's calendar so I can see when they have days off. But I'm also going to highlight on that calendar the days that I sub. And so here I can put the date, the building I was in, the teacher I subbed for, and the time. Because if it was half a day, a whole day, maybe it was just 2 hours, sometimes that can happen in our district. So I have this log. There's also a log that does not have numbers on it. I have logs that go from 1 to 30 numbered, and then some blank logs there for you. And then my next section are my sub notes. And so these are just some notes that you can leave for the sub whenever you leave. And this is probably more, I would say, geared towards an elementary class, this version, which is what I typically will do. And it just has a place to put your name, your email, the date you're doing the subbing, if you're doing it in the morning or the afternoon or the whole day, and then a phone number they can reach you at if they need to. And then here you can write the absent students, just some comments about student behavior, and then a class report card. Here you can let them know what you got done, what you weren't able to get to, and then on the back you can just write any other type of notes that you need to write. And then I also have this one. So these things I've showed you, they are also included in that printable. But this is more for like a specials class teacher at the elementary level or middle school or high school setting where you have different periods. This has 6 periods on one page. And so you can write the period, who was absent, give that class just like a real quick report, and then notes. What did you get done? What you didn't get done? And then obviously on the back you can write more notes if you need to. Not shown in here, but I also just have a blank one with this pink polka dot border, an apple and pencil, and then the inside's just blank and white available, so you can do what you want with it. My last section is meeting notes from like training and that kind of stuff, so I won't show you that, but that is my last section in here. And I have a feeling as I go I'll probably add more sections to this. I want a section of just kind of some quick activities I can do with groups. So I'll probably end up adding a section for that sometime down the road. Another part of the printable is the substitute mail. So if I want to brag about a student, I can just grab one of these and fill it out real quick. You can just check the boxes. Was the student being kind to the sub, showing manners, following instructions, being a good example, being helpful, working hard in the class? And then you can put the student's name up here and then just any notes you want to add right there. And I just think it's a nice little thing to do. Maybe the teacher will give it to the student after, and it's just kind of fun for the student to receive that. But you give it to the classroom teacher who will then pass it on themselves. I am going to go ahead and cut these out because this is how it comes, like this. I'm going to use my paper cutter and then I'm going to stick it in my little pocket of sub notes. So there it is. That's the little sub binder I put together for my first day of subbing tomorrow. Let me know in the comments below what other sections you think I should have, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.